Hey guys, I'm here at my grandparents' rental house in Florida for Thanksgiving. They've got these Hunter low profiles here. Two of them are Hunter low profile 1s, and then the other 3 are low profile 2s. But anyway, we're going to be making a video of the first one, which is in the living room. This is a 90s model. Not sure what the exact year is, but it's from the 90s for sure. You can tell it's a 90s one because of this particular Hunter logo on it instead of the tag. And of course it's got the Hunter logo on the switch housing as well. And it's got a black motor in it. This is kind of old. The blades on it are a little saggy, but not by much. So anyway, we'll go turn on low now. And it's nice and quiet, like every older Hunter fan should be. This is my first time actually testing one of these out before, because I've only ever seen these in videos before. And so this is my first time actually having experience with one of these in person before. Yeah, those blades are pretty warped. And it's got washed oak on the other side. Anyways, it's a pretty good fan. And I believe these ones have, I believe the 52-inch ones have a 172mm motor. Anyway, here's medium speed. It's got a seashell pull chain on it, which fits because we're in Florida. Blows a really good amount of air on medium speed. Alright, show it from here. Alright, here it is in high speed. Right, here it is in high speed. Pulls a really good amount of air at high speed. Switch housing kind of wobbles a little bit. That's okay. Alright. There's that. We'll go turn back to low speed now. Alright, and I'll see you next video.